Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook dark mode option that is not showing on your Facebook account. It is quite simple to fix, and I'll go over a couple methods on how to get it going. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you head over to Facebook, as you can see, I'm already in dark mode, but one way you can fix this if you're on iPhone is swipe down from the top right, hold down the brightness, and you can see you can turn on and off dark mode right here. So if I turn it off, as you can see, it's off dark mode. If I just hop back there, hold this down, click it again, I'm in dark mode. But if you can't do this, another thing you can do is hop out of here. You can then click Safari or Google, just a searching browser, and then you want to find Facebook.com. So just go ahead and search Facebook.com, log in, do what you got to do, and then you need to click the three lines at the top right, scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see dark mode. If you want to turn it on, just go ahead and toggle it on. And if I hop back out of here, as you can see, I'm in dark mode now. And it's that simple. So I hope one of these methods does help you. If they did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.